Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial the 5 quick tricks every Mac computer user must know. Without further ado, let us start the video. So, the first trick you should know or could know is Command N, which just opens up a new finder. If I close this down, open up a new finder, Command N, a new finder on screen. The second trick, Command Space, is to open up a Spotlight search, so you can now just search from your computer. You do not need to go into Finder, navigate through photos, documents to see where your file is kept. Command search, search for documents. The third trick you could find useful is compress the file. Right click a file, a document, a photo, and now compress heading code. So we have actually compressed the Word document. If I double click this, and now we have the compressed file. The fourth trick, which is very useful, is stacks. Use the stacks. So all the documents and information are now aligned neatly. If we click on this, we can see everything that was in the stack. Number 5, edit a photo. Double click on a photo. We are able to rotate the photo clockwise, anti-clockwise, increase the size, decrease the size. Use a marker on the photo. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.